Assalamu alaikum, welcome again. Today, inshallah, we are going to make vermicelli balls. To make them, you need the hair like vermicelli. These ones here. So this is a sweet dish like the matai type. So we'll need almonds, and you'll need desiccated coconut. You will need condensed milk. Now that's important, that's the main thing, condensed milk. You will need butter and the vermicelli or vermicelli, however you pronounce it. So let's start making vermicelli balls. Okay, so the first stage is you crush the vermicelli inside the packet. You crush it. Okay, so that's your vermicelli in the pan. We melted the butter first, then we put the vermicelli in, which I didn't film. Once the vermicelli gets cooked and you notice the color has changed, it's gone browner than it is, and then it's time to add the condensed milk. So that's a full can, which is 397 grams, so basically 400 grams. 397 years old. So we turn the gas off now. You let it cool. Okay, so what you do, you make a bowl. Inside you put an almond, and then you make a bowl. And then you put it into the desiccated coconut. Like so. So what you end up with is a vermicelli bowl. I mean, this is absolutely delicious. Okay, so what else you need to do is you don't let this get cold. So it needs to be warm for making the balls. Here, all the vermicelli balls are done now. As you can see, they look exactly like a ferrero rocher. You see, they come out really good. Eat special, as you can see. There you go. Been put into a ferrero rocher box. I mean, if you were to gift it to someone, what you can do is get a clean box like that, and make sure you make the balls the size of the ferrero rocher, so it fits snugly into the molds. These are a little bit bigger than the actual ferrero rocher. And there you go, they come out really good. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Thank you for watching our video. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and share our video. And finally, Eid Mubarak to all our viewers. May Allah accept our Ramadan, our prayers. Ameen. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.